Meaning of ivory tower.
Ivory tower.
Ivory tower.
Ivory tower.
Ivory tower. The term ivory tower generally refers to a place or situation where people are disconnected from the practical concerns and realities of everyday life, especially when they are engaged in academic pursuits that are considered to be detached from the real world. The phrase is often used to suggest that academics or intellectuals are living in an isolated environment that prevents them from fully understanding or appreciating the experiences of ordinary people. It can also imply that such individuals are not concerned with or interested in the practical consequences of their ideas or theories.